Hi guys, good evening. How are you all doing? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail. By default, when you upload YouTube video, YouTube will give you three thumbnails to choose, and there's an option to choose a custom thumbnail also. Also, you can use a high definition picture, a good design. So let's get started. Let's go to canva.com. So these are some of my design I already made with Canva. So let's start it. I'll show you from the beginning. You have option to make YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover, logo, presentation, poster, or they have more options for social media, post, documents. So we are sticking with YouTube thumbnail. They have lots of pre-designed thumbnails. You can directly use them, or you can customize to your choice. So they have lots of designs to choose from. Okay, I'll go with this one. So I don't need this Facebook logo for my thumbnail, so I can remove. Just select it and make delete. And okay, I just select this. I'll click delete. It's gone. I'll make it a little wider. And I want to keep the name. And just select and I'll paste the name. That is the name of my video. How to add a branding logo watermark to YouTube video. It's looking nice to me. Okay, so you have option to change the picture in the background. So my video is about YouTube, so I'll find some pictures. Those are free to use. I'll just use some of the free. This will look better, I guess. It will be small. Might be this. This looking better. So if you're done, you just have to click save. Now your design is saved. You can download to PNG, JPG, PDF, PDF print, your wish. So I'll download in PNG. Go to YouTube. Custom thumbnail. So this is the video I just downloaded. So thumbnail is ready here. Okay, I'll just save changes. Now I'm ready to go. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like my video. Wait for the next one. Thank you guys.